On, Tata Steel was the big loser today. Tata Steel's own version of Brexit could get delayed. The stock got pummeled in trade after reports indicated that the company may announce that it will delay the sale of its Port Talbot plant. Kritika Saxena joins us now to give us more details. Kritika.
Well, Sonia, a lot of uncertainty has emerged after the Brexit referendum, specifically in context of the pension liability, the pension surplus that the company will have to bear, and the new pension scheme that will have to be devised now once the new buyer does come into play. So all these things have led to a delay, not a complete calling off of the sale. So what we understand is that the board of Tata Steel will be meeting tomorrow to finalize all the details, and perhaps they will mull all various options, which includes taking a look at all the current bidders that are in the fray. That includes Liberty House and Excalibur Steel. That also includes taking a look at the kind of negotiations that have happened with UK government so far. Remember, UK government still is interested in buying out about 25% equity into the overall business, that is the entire UK operations. The option of nationalizing the UK ops of Tata Steel is also on the table. So several areas that they will have to look into, several options. But yes, by the looks of it, for now, Tata Steel is likely to put the sale on hold and perhaps will iron out details and then look at revisiting it. So that's what's being talked about. But you never know. Sajid Javed is in India, according to our sources, and is finalizing some of the details with the Tata Steel management. So you could see some kind of a change of heart at the last minute.
Okay, all right, Kritika. Thanks very much for that.